What are smart cities and why invest in smart cities? Smart cities are the way of the future. Smart cities have the potential to generate $20 trillion in economic benefits by 2026. Barclays. Technology is a key factor to deliver and provide services and solve city problems. By collecting data and improving four key areas: enabling technologies, building and construction, energy and water and waste management are the foundations to success. With many corporate companies investing from Cisco, Siemens, Microsoft, IBM, and Hitachi are only a few to name. The future will evolve and change the way we live. With this approach, cities won't be just smart, but sustainable and resilient for the people living in them, adding to their investment potential. With our changing environment, everyone's living, work, health, and well-being operate more efficiently while improving services to citizens and businesses, among many other benefits. Let us introduce ourselves. We are the real estate investment specialists who help people build more revenue with income property. Stay ahead of the crowd. So get smart and register now to get your free report of our prioritized property income opportunities that are priced you can profit from immediately.